In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock an email address in Gmail. Whether an important email got stuck in spam or you just want to create more space for conversations, unblocking an address is simple and straightforward. We're going to walk through the steps together, so let's dive right in. First, we need to open up your preferred web browser and navigate over to the Gmail website. You can do this by typing gmail.com into your browser's address bar. Once there, ensure you're logged into the account you wish to modify. It's a good idea to double-check this, especially if you manage multiple accounts, just to be sure you're unblocking from the right email profile. Next, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the Gmail interface. There, you'll see a small gear icon which stands for Settings. Give it a click. This action will bring up a few quick settings options, but what we want is more extensive. So, go ahead and select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open up a full range of settings options we need to proceed with the task. Now that you have the settings page open, do you see those tabs running along the top? You're looking for the one labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. Click on that. This tab is our main workspace here because it houses all the tools we need to customize how Gmail manages incoming mail, especially in regard to filters and those pesky blocked addresses. When you're in the Filters and Blocked Addresses section, scroll down the page to reach the list of blocked addresses. It's easy to miss since it sits lower down on the page. Once there, you'll see a list of every email address that's been blocked from emailing you. Take your time here to ensure you find the right one. Accuracy is key. Found it? Excellent. Next to that email address you want to unblock, there's a button labeled Unblock. Go ahead and click that. You'll notice Gmail creating a little roadblock here, just double-checking if you're certain about that decision. After you click Unblock, a prompt will pop up. You'll need to confirm by clicking Unblock again, and that's it. Now, all future emails from that sender will no longer get blocked. Instead, they'll flow straight into your inbox. This can really help if you've been missing important communications or simply needed to reconnect with certain senders. Thanks for watching today, and we hope this helps keep your inbox organized just the way you like it.